prosecution was what we call in legal terms the fruits of a poisoned tree. So there is no way that the prosecution can survive.
Ummeli kaNoma Gigaba uadvocate Dalimpofu ubecacisa kabanzi ukuthi kungani kumele achithwe amacala abhekene noGigaba. Uadvocate Dalimpofu uthi abashushisi kanye nenkantolo nabo baba yizisulu zamanga ashiwo amaHawks khathi ebopha uGigaba.
Those people have, according to the High Court, which is binding to this court, acted fraudulently with ill motive and, even employed the old tactics of arresting someone on a Friday so that they don't get, they spend the whole weekend in jail.
Umbuso uthe nakuba kungahambanga ngendlela efanele ukuboshwa kaNoma Gigaba kepha ke yena unecala futhi kumele ashushiswe.
The state will submit that not necessarily unlawful arrest becomes a malicious prosecution.
Kulandela isinqumo esikhishwe yinkantolo ephakeme yasePitoli izolo, ummeli kaGigaba uhlela ukumangalela amalungu ophiko lwamaHawks anindekayo ekuboshweni kaGigaba.
Application of the warrant of arrest to have a prosecutor sign and a magistrate endorse it, that was unlawful on its own. To search her house, walk around her, escort her in her house, in her bedroom, that was unlawful.
Icala lokucikela phansi impahla elibhekene noNoma Gigaba lihlihiselwe umhlazi ngamashumi 26 kwezokwethwasa.